Here's my 52-inch Hampton Bay Cam Plus ceiling fan, and it's got drooping blades. Two is up, one is low, one is too high, and one is normal. I told you the blades drooping. I'm gonna get a new house in some days. Not this one. It's this blade. Oh, it is. I can see it. It says 5GM. It's upside down, but high makes a little bit of noises. See, high is not that fast. I'm gonna let it up, you can see it better. Is that really that fast? I'm gonna buy a new one, like a fast one. I think it's replaced by something. Stop the blaze. You can see it's flush mounted. You can see it's just the can be on, no downline, because it's not foot but the ceiling is only 6 feet above the floor. See, it's 6 feet, not 7. It's 6, because that's why it's flush mounted. Here's the switch off. Watch as it does. The switch lights up. Watch this. You turn this off. The light. The light switches. The light, when you pull the light chain, when you turn on, comes on, and you turn it off, and turns off. That is really cool. I've never seen it before. That is pretty cool. You can see my broccoli's in there. It's off. Man. I gotta turn it back on low. Guess it's got 60-watt light bulbs. I can't hang it for the fan because the blades are pretty heavy. I mean, the blades are big shit. Only can hang it for these little swirls, and only can hang for the swirls and the. When you put out something to like it causes fire. Cause here's the mini lamp, tiny bitty lamp. Yep. You can see it's cherry to oak blades. It's got a real switch in. The switch is pretty special looking. It does not have 4 speeds, but Barkley Maden does have 4 speeds. So you turn the light off. Oh, that come off. I'll do it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.